Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to answer the Viva question of History, Class 6 NCERT, Chapter 4. What books and burials tell us? So the questions are:
What are the two main sources used by historians to learn about the past in this chapter?
the two main sources used by historians to learn about the past in this chapter are books and burials. In the books, manuscript and inscription.
What do historians mean by the manuscripts?
Manuscripts are the ancient books written by hand.
What material were ancient manuscripts usually written on?
Ancient manuscripts were usually written on material like a palm leaves and birch bark.
Why are many ancient manuscripts not available today?
Because they were made up of material that get destroyed by insect, moisture and time.
What are inscriptions?
Inscription are writing carved on hard surfaces like stone or metal.
On which surface were inscriptions commonly written in ancient times?
Inscriptions were commonly written on the surfaces in the ancient times are stone pillars, rock, temple wall and copper plate.
What is the Rig Veda?
The Rig Veda in the oldest Vedic text, a collection of hymns praising gods and goddesses.
In which language was Rig Veda composed?
The Rig Veda was composed in the language called Sanskrit.
Who composed the hymns of the Rig Veda?
The hymns were composed by the sages called Rishi.
What do hymns of the Rig Veda mainly describe?
The hymns of Rig Veda mainly describe gods, nature, prayers and ritual.
Who were rishis mentioned in the Vedic text?
Rishi were the wise sages who composed and recited hymns.
What are megaliths?
Megaliths are the large stone used to mark burial sites.
In which parts of India have megaliths been found?
Megaliths have been found in the Deccan region, South India and Northeast.
What is usually found inside megaliths burial sites?
Skeleton and objects like pots, tools and ornaments are found inside megalith burial sites.
What do archaeologists study burial sites?
Archaeologists study burial sites to learn about the life, belief and social differences of ancient people.
What types of objects have been discovered in megalith graves?
Pots, iron, tools, weapons, ornaments and sometimes animal bones have been discovered in megalith's grave.
What do burial objects suggest about the people buried there?
They suggest that people believed in life after death and that some people were more important than others.
What is special about the burial found in Imagaon?
Adults were buried in the ground while children were buried in the large pot are a special thing about the burial found at Imagaon.
What were some skeletons buried differently in Imagaon?
Some were buried in the houses under the floors.
What do books burial together tell us about an ancient society?
They tell us about people's lives, belief, custom and social differences in ancient time. Thank you everyone.